In females, it's quite different. In females, the process of differentiation from an oogonium to a primary oocyte actually occurs before birth. At around 5 months of development, the oogonia begin to differentiate into primary oocytes. By the time the baby is born, all of the presumptive gametes that are in the ovary are now primary oocytes. There are no oogonia left in the ovary by the time the baby is born. All of the oogonia have either differentiated into primary oocytes, that is to say they've become meiotically active, or they have died. So there are no oogonia left in the newborn ovary. Now, since we're saying they are primary oocytes, that by definition means that they are meiotically active. And in fact, the first meiotic division has begun. These cells enter the first meiotic division, they get as far as prophase of the first meiotic division, and then they stop. They arrest at prophase of the first meiotic division and stay in that status until puberty. After puberty, once per month, one of these primary oocytes enters the second meiotic division, goes partway through the second meiotic division, gets as far as metaphase, and then stops. So the secondary oocyte arrests in metaphase, stays in that status, and that is what's ovulated. If that secondary oocyte is not fertilized, it will never proceed beyond metaphase, and it will die as a secondary oocyte in the metaphase stage of the second meiotic division. If it is fertilized, it will finish the second meiotic division, give off the second polar body, and now become an ovum. And so it's now a fertilized ovum, since it's the penetration of the sperm that caused the completion of the second meiotic division, and we then will proceed to the formation of a zygote.